Hi, so this is Carousel. This script will let you have a carousel that snaps to options you have in it. It will do so at the speed which you specify, and it will align them to the center of the scroll rect. You can see it working here. Here it is working within Unity, and here it is in world space. It still works in world space. And this is another example with a mask. All these demos are included in the asset. So in here you're scrolling to points. Now I'll show you how to do this. So first we'll set up a standard scroll rect, which if you've never done before, I'll show you here how to do it. So first we created a panel. This will be the scroll rect. It's the UI element that holds the scrolling area. We'll call it carousel. And we're going to add a panel for the contents. Whatever is inside the contents will get scrolled with it, and we'll make the content a little bit bigger than the scroll rect, so we can scroll it. So this is about 3 times our original scroll rect. So okay, now we can scroll. And we will now add the scroll rect script. It will be a horizontal scroll rect, so we disable vertical. We're also going to make it unrestricted and without inertia. This is so the carousel can work. It should not have an elastic movement type. We also drag the content into the content field, so now the scroll rect knows where the contents are. And this is the standard Unity scroll rect. You can see when you lift the button, it doesn't come back. So now we're going to add something to be focused. We're going to make a panel. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So yeah, this is small enough so you can see it. And we're going to make it a toggle. This is required, but as you can see, it doesn't have to be a toggle object, just needs the toggle script. It's not going to be interactable because we want it to be activated when you let go the button, not when you touch it. We're also going to add a toggle group. This is so all of our toggles will, only one of our toggles will be activated at a single time. So for that, we go to the group in the toggle script, and we drag the toggle group into the group field. Now we're going to duplicate them. So at any time, only one of these will be selected. So the first panel is in the middle. We want them to be in order because this is how they will rotate later. So the first panel in the list will be at the left and the last one at the right. It doesn't matter much if you do not have the rotate script, which we do not have now, but we'll add it later. So now we add a mask and we hide the mask graphic. This will make the scroll rect not have any graphic, and we do not need the scroll rect graphic either, the content. So now only you can see the toggle panels, and they scroll and they're clipped to the scroll rect. So now we're going to add the carousel stuff. Oh, we'll make sure first that the toggles are off, and only one of them is going to be on, because the carousel will focus on the toggle that is on first. Okay, so now we add the carousel toggler. You can set the speed, and you can have it auto center on startup. So you hit play, and when you let go, it snaps. Let go, snaps. We'll label them so we can tell them apart now. And we're going to put a little bit of text in them. So you can build any objects you want, as long as something has a toggle in it. It's going to focus. And it's going to focus not on the anchor, it's going to focus on the middle of the rectangle. So keep that in mind when you're designing. Sometimes when you're building your scroll rect, you might want to... Yeah, we're going to turn off the mask so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, now you can see the whole thing. Now we turn on the mask again. And yeah, play, yeah. Now you can see it snaps. Notice how the panel is centered always. When you let go, it snaps. If you go with clamped motion on the scroll rect, you have to be careful with the content size. So you need enough space to put the toggles in. As long as it's not elastic, it's okay. So we added the carousel rotator. We're going to put a small delay, and now it will go in order through A, B, and C, and without any clicks. So it's really fast, as you can see. Yeah, this script also works in world space, so we're going to change it to world space, just to show you how you can move the camera around, and you can even move the canvas, and it doesn't stop working. You could even do this in real time. Yep. And now we have the rotator working in world space. We can move the camera around, and you can see it's different, and it still works. That's all, and thanks for watching.